Good morning, children. Welcome to your English class. Today we are going to do revision, and the topic for today is nouns. Children, I hope all of you remember what we learned for nouns. Nouns are words that name a person, place, thing, or idea. The word noun comes from the Latin word nomen, that means name. Just everything that we see, touch, smell, taste, make, and even think of are nouns. For example, car, water, pencil, beans, phone, light, etc. Okay, now I'm going to show you some images and you have to tell me what are they. What are these images? The first one is a child, second one is a house, third one is a rose. What are they? They are nouns, right? Now let us revise the definition of noun. A noun is a naming word. It can be the name of a person, place, or thing. Examples of noun: woman, pencil, hotel, Taj Mahal, Delhi, America, etc. Now I will be telling you the types of noun. So basically there are 4 types of noun. First one is common noun, second proper noun, third collective noun, and the fourth one is material noun. Recapitulation of proper noun and common noun will be done as you have already learned about the same in your previous class. In class 4, the focus will be on collective noun and material noun. Now let us revise what are common noun. A common noun is a name given in common to every person, place, or thing of the same class or kind. Look at the examples: girl, boy, sister, brother. All these are common nouns for persons. Understood? Hospital, country, town. These are the common nouns for places. Water, butter, book, car. These are the common nouns for things. It could be any car. We are not talking about any car in particular. That is why car is a common noun, right? Okay. Now find out the common noun in this sentence. Look at the first one. Ram lives in a village. Now what is the common noun over here? It is village, right? Because it could be any village. Second one, my cousin has a dog. What is the common noun over here? There are 2 common nouns over here. First one is cousin and the second one is dog, right? It could be any cousin of mine and the dog could be any dog. We are not sure which dog we are talking about. Understood? Moving on to the second kind, proper noun. A proper noun is a special name of a particular person, place, or thing. Now look at the examples. Ravi, Sheila, Akbar. These are names of particular persons, right? Similarly, Delhi, London, Agra. These are again specific names of places. So these are proper noun. Find out the proper noun. Look at the first sentence. Rajan lives in New Delhi. What is a proper noun over here? There are 2 proper nouns, Rajan and New Delhi. Why? because Rajan is a particular name of a particular person and New Delhi is a name of a place. Look at the second one. Kamla is a fine dancer. Kamla is the proper noun of this sentence. Now the third kind is collective noun. A collective noun is the name of a number of people or thing considered as one. Example, a crowd of people, an army of soldiers, a team of cricketers, a pack of wolves, a herd of cattle, a shoal of fish. So these words are specific names given to a number of people or things considered as one. Okay, now let us find the collective noun in this sentence. I bought a bunch of flowers. Over here, bunch is the collective noun. Why? Because it is a name given to a number of flowers when considered as one, right? Second one, our class consists of 20 pupils. Over here, what is the collective noun? Class. Yes. Why? Because class is the word given to a, number of people, a number of students studying together. Okay, now we are going to look at some more common collective nouns. Children, pay attention and try to memorize these collective nouns and use them in your daily language, right? So, a gang of thieves, a group of thieves is called as a gang. A troop of dancers, a herd of cows, a pack of cards or wolves. A collection of cards is also called as a pack, whereas a group of wolves is also called as a pack. A crew of sailors, a panel of experts, a murder of crows, a ream of paper, a train of camels, a choir of singers, a cutlery of forks or spoons, a string of pearls, a litter of puppies, a board of directors, a company of actors, a fleet of ships, a pile of books, an album of stamps or photographs. Moving on to the fourth kind of noun, the material noun. Material noun is the name of a substance of which things are made. Example, iron, gold, brass, marble, copper, steel, cotton, silver, etc. Now, find out the material noun in these sentences. Look at the first one. The dress of cotton is very cheap. What is the material noun over here? It is cotton. Why? Because cotton is a material with which things are made, with which a dress is made. Second one, iron is a very useful metal. Iron is the material noun here. Why? Because it is a material which can be used to make different things. Now children, we have revised all the four kinds of noun. Yes? Now we remember all of them. So let us test our knowledge now. Point out the nouns in the following sentences and state whether they are common, proper, collective, or material. Children, I want all of you to sit with your notebooks and pencil and write the answers of these sentences. Right? Then pause the video, complete writing your answers, and then replay the video to check your answers. Let us read the first sentence. The angry mob pelted stones at the police. Second, silver and gold are precious metals. Third, my mother has a chopping board made of wood. Fourth, Julie is my youngest sister. Fifth, he is on the jury. Next, birds make their nests in trees. Next, we saw a fleet of ships in the harbor. Eighth, the Nile is the longest of all rivers. Next, it was Edison who invented the phonograph. The last one, he gave me a bunch of grapes. Now pause the video, write all your answers and then replay. I hope you've written all the answers. Let us check them. Look at the first one. Mob, collective noun. Stones, common noun. Police, collective noun. Second, silver is material noun. Gold is material noun. And metal is common noun. Third, wood, material noun. Fourth, Julie, proper noun because it is a name of a person. Sister, common noun. Fifth, jury, collective noun. Sixth, birds, common noun. Nests, common noun. Trees, common noun. Seventh one, fleet, collective noun. Ship, common noun. Eighth, Nile, proper noun. Rivers, common noun. Ninth, Edison, proper noun. Phonograph, common noun. The last one, bunch, collective noun. Grapes, common noun. That is all for today, children. I hope you enjoyed it. And also you are clear about the kinds of noun, right? I hope this revision was helpful and you were able to attempt all the questions correctly. That is all for today. Goodbye. Take care of yourselves.